Good morning. I'm covering at the moment the profile of Bianca Motai. It's a deleted profile on Facebook, and it's responsible for it had admin some groups that had the admin rights stolen from them. The reason I came across Bianca Motai, or the fake profile Bianca Motai, is because she was that profile was very closely associated with Thomas Roberts in the theft of other groups, the admin rights for other groups. So when I finished recording Thomas Roberts' exploits, I had a look at her, and I saved a lot of the URLs. Unfortunately, I didn't save a screen grab of who she was. And she disappeared very quickly after my group, the rights of my group, Modular Homes and Building, was stolen by the fake profile Thomas Roberts. Anyway, a lot of the groups that she was involved in were dealt with Thomas Roberts, but she was also the admin for a significant number of other groups before her profile was deleted. Most of those groups were the big religious groups that I've just covered, but there are others as well. So today I'm going to look at 4 groups. They're all Romanian, and they were all connected with the profile Bianca Motai. So let me just share my screen. So I'm starting on this window because this window is the empty window, but the URL is the URL that was the profile for Bianca Motai, who disappeared sometime towards the end of March. The group rights to the rights to my admin rights for Modular Homes and Building was stolen on the 24th of March. So this disappeared shortly after that. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 4 groups that I'm looking at today. This is the first group. These are all Romanian groups. Now I'm just going to let Google do this for me.
Piața mărfurilor și căutarea unui loc de muncă în București.
Okay, so what this group is, it's the goods market and the search for a job in Bucharest. So this is a public group. It was created on the 23rd of October 2020. There's 63,800 members in this group. And at the moment, the only admin is this page, this page, Romani Admin Group. Now I'm just going to go into that. So this only happened on the 6th of April, 2024. However, I managed to take a screen grab of this group before the 6th of April 24, and here it is. So you will see at the bottom of this screen that Alex and Piku are admins. So those names are Piku Gabriella and Alex Caesar in both in Bucharest in Romania. And I'm just going to move on to the next one. So here we have Alex Caesar. He became an admin of this group on the 27th of March 24. So it still wasn't that long ago. And then we move on to Piku Gabriella, and he became an admin of this group on the 19th of February 24. And however, both of them came off, somebody created this page and took both of these people off as admins before the 6th of April. So all of this happened very recently. So now we move on to the next group. This group, the translation for this is Bucharest Announcements. It's a public group of 15,200 people, and it was created, it's quite an old group, it was created on the 10th of December 2013. And you will see at the bottom that Romani admin group, the page, is the only admin. And this became the admin on the 6th of April 2024. And here is the screen grab that I took prior to the 6th of April 24 for this group. You will see at the bottom, the members are Alex and Piku as admins. So there we are, we've got a little bit more information on them. Piku, Gabriela, and Alex Caesar, both of Bucharest in Romania. And Alex Caesar became admin of this group on the 27th of March 2024. And Piku Gabriela on the 22nd of February 2024. So here we are on the third one today. It's Pepco Romania-Comenzi online. So it's Pepco Romania online orders. This group was created on the 15th of October 2020. And you will see that the only admin is this page, Romani admin group. So this page took over as the admin of this group on the 6th of April 2024. And here you will see the screen grab that I took before the 6th of April 2024, where the admins are shown as Alex and Piku at the bottom. And the next screen grab, it gives a little more detail on the two admins, their surnames. And then you can see that Alex Caesar became the admin of this group on the 27th of March 24, with Piku Gabriel becoming the admin of this group's on the 27th of February 2024. And the last group that I'm going to share with you today is Grup pentru publicitate, which means group for advertising. And this group it's a public group with 5,800 members. It is an old group, the 3rd of November 2012. And you will see that the only admin attached to this group is the same page, Romani admin group page. And this was since the 6th of April 2024. So here is the screen grab that I took about this group prior to the 6th of April 2024. And you will see that Alex and Piku are the admins here. And that just gives a little bit more detail about them with their names as Piku Gabriela and Alex Caesar. Alex Caesar became an admin on the 27th of March 2024, with Pepco Gabriela becoming the admin on the 28th of February 2024. So there you are. My group was stolen on the 24th of March 2024. So quite a lot sort of changes as the weeks go by. It's keeping track, and it means that you have to keep screen grabs as well as URLs to document what's going on here. Anyway, that's 4 of the Romanian groups that Bianca Motai had been an admin for earlier on, although unfortunately I don't have any screen grabs of that. There are 4 more Romanian groups that I'll be doing next. And thank you for sticking with me this far into the video, and I'll see you the next time.